Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And today we got something different going on. You heard me? Got my partner right now. Say hi to the camera, man.
Hi.
Yes, sir. So we about to go to a car meet, show y'all the car scene in my area look like. So I'm gonna meet y'all there. Like Appreciate it. Just got it swapped.
Oh yeah, what'd you put in here?
B20. Alright, so we just got to the car meet. That's Mario right there. We gonna take a look over there. But we gonna that's a Mark 4 Supra. We gonna take a look in a second. Yeah, look at this machine.
Gangsters, what's up, guys?
Boy, dead chilling. Get it? Hold on. Sorry about my voice. My voice is kind of messed up, but oh my gosh, you like these cars, Mari? These are clean. Clean. I like that. And there's Mona over there. That's my baby right now. Y'all already know her. So we ain't gonna talk about her today. I just pulled up. Said let me look at some cars. So it's gonna be mostly cars. So oh my gosh, I need to go over there. Yes sir, one day, man, one day. This is my buddy's, well, I know him too. Clean EK. Clean EK coupe, man. Shout out to Joe, man. Oh, that Camaro left. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. That is lovely Type R. And we got Supras. I mean, we love Supras over here, man. We just love Supras. And then we got Cruise Tune in the building too. Sheesh. We got the GT3 RS. Let's go. Cruise Tune. Shout out to Cruise Tune, man. He's the one that's going to my car. Got the 5. Whoop. Man, see, I'm telling you, we love Supras. We love that Supra. And you got the Vet. Fire. Pro Charger Vet. Got the Chevy truck. Nice. I like those wheels, man. Like the Hummer. RSX is nice. This RSX is nice. Beautiful. We got that two-step going on over there. Miata, nice. Yo, look how low this. Gotta be on bags. Yep. Gotta be on bags. That is low. How low can you go? And we a little bit early, but these are the cars that are here now. Oh my gosh, I saw a turbo bigger than me. Oh my gosh. How big that turbo is. Which car is your favorite? This one, get out of here. And which one? And this one, the BRZ or the F4? No, it's 86. Oh my gosh, it's the same thing anyway. But yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. What's going on here, man? These guys are wrestling. Like what? He said just a second.
7. Just a second, please.
No, look out! Look out! Let's go! My goodness! Wait a minute! Look out!
Got him. Hey.
Somebody better check on him! He's done for.
18-3 RS. Oh my gosh. Oh.
You recording right now?
Yeah.
I'll give you something.
Hey. I appreciate that. I say, you gonna give me something. Let me hear something. That is loud. Oh my God. And that's the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. I had no idea that the car scene was this nice. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. I guess I gotta be outside more, you know what I mean? But the car scene is ridiculous, bro. And I didn't even catch them all, but we got some other car meets coming up, so we gonna catch them all, you know what I mean? Like Polka Girl, we gonna catch them all. Yeah, man. Did you enjoy the car show, Mark?
Yeah.
Okay, it was fun. You like them cars?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. But guess what?
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we are out.